Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. So today I have 4 super easy and glamorous DIYs that I created using thrift store items and Amazon products. And I will have all the links for the Amazon items that I used in the description box below. So for the first DIY, it's actually a trash to treasure, and I have this acrylic chocolate box, and I will be turning this into a beautiful jewelry box. So taking out the contents and removing the label from the top of the lid, I am then going to be taking this microfiber towel from the Dollar Tree, and I will be taking the bottom of my chocolate box and I will be adding that to the inside. So here I'm just making sure that I don't have any extra glue and that my lid fits perfectly. Now taking some of these mirror towels, I'm actually going to use these to cover up the label for the chocolate because this one is not an actual sticker. So using the mirror towels, I'm going to embellish all around the perimeter of my bottom of my chocolate box. And using my Dollar Tree bling wrap, I'll be embellishing the perimeter of my top. Now this glitter tape I got from Target, but you can also use the Dollar Tree glitter ribbon. And this crystal knob, I will have the link for this in the description box below. And I will be gluing my crystal knob to the center of my top. So here is the final look at my Trash to Treasure DIY jewelry box. I think this came out super adorable, and I'm so glad that I did not throw this chocolate box away and was able to repurpose it for something functional. Let me know down below, what do you guys think about this piece, and if there's anything you would do differently. So next I found this black candelabra at my local thrift store, and I only paid $2.99 for this. I'll be removing these black pendants from my candelabra and using this rhinestone trim, I am just going to embellish my candelabra with Fix-All adhesive. So I purchased this pack of 30 chandelier pendants from Amazon, and they all come individually wrapped like this. And I will be using these to embellish my candelabra instead of using the black ones that I took off earlier. I will also be using this chandelier glass garland. And I have the link for this garland in the description box below as well. Now, as you can see, I have removed one of the glass links, and I will just be using one with a teardrop pendant. Now, taking some of these Dollar Tree diamond votive candle holders, I'm going to be adding those to the top of my candelabra where the taper candle holder is supposed to sit. And I'm going to be adding my Tealight candle holders to the top to add a little bit more glitz and glam to this black candelabra. So here's the final look at my candelabra. I think this came out super glamorous and unique. I love the combination of the black, the glass chandelier embellishments combined with the Dollar Tree votive candle holders. I think this is a really beautiful and unique piece, but let me know down below, what do you think about this piece? I think it's so over the top. I am loving it. So I found the dessert plate with the lid, and at my local thrift store you can get 10 glass items for $1.99. And I will be taking this Dollar Tree silver candle holder and some more of this rhinestone chain, and I will be gluing the chain to this round part on my candle holder, and here is what that looks like. Also, we'll be adding some of the rhinestone to the lid of my cake plate. Using this clear Gorilla Glue, I will be gluing my candle holder to my dessert plate. Here is a final look at my dessert stand. I think it's so simple and so elegant. It looks like something you can definitely find at one of these retail stores. So here is the final look at these super easy candle holders. I think they're so simple and so beautiful, with just the right amount of bling to display any beautiful embellished candles that you may have. This is a super easy idea. So if you would like to see more videos like this, don't forget to give me a thumbs up and leave me a comment down below letting me know your thoughts. And I will talk to you guys in the next video.